Hello, everybody. It is Monday, September 25th. It's about 4 minutes before the regular session close. On my left is the time and sales, the EMINI S&P trading at 24.93. Okay, first up is the DAX, back in the limelight here, hitting its goal of 2,000 with no slippage. Kind of a familiar pattern. We had a small winner and a small loser back-to-back, and then followed by a long and a short trade back-to-back, hitting its goal at 2,000. So the DAX continuing to be very, very consistent. So the Super Renko 14 tick seems to be a good time frame for certain markets. Here on the NASDAQ, it did 800 for the day. In active trading, you can see our equity curve. Several times we drew down a little bit, but ended up on the plus side of the ledger with a pretty respectable gain. Okay, the DAX on a Super Renko 7 tick, half the size of the 14 Super Renko, is also showing some good performance. This did 1487 for the day. I think our goal on this may be a little smaller. Indeed, our goal is 1500, so a little bit lower risk on this contract, a little bit lesser expectation on the daily goal. The EMINI S&P on a 987 tick line break chart did 1087 for the day and hit its goal of 1100 on some spectacular looking trades here, catching all these swings. Likewise, the bonds on a precision Renko chart, 2 tick, did 1,000 for the day and hit its goal with no slippage. Okay, next up is the EMINI S&P on a precision Renko 5 tick chart. This had 3 winning trades in a row to do 987.50 for the day. Here's what it looks like with candlesticks. Okay, next up is the EMINI S&P. This had a modest gain of 200. This chart has the higher time frame, and there was a break even and a small trade into the close. Next up is the EMINI S&P on a 3-range chart, and this did 687.50 on 2 trades, 3 contracts each. Next up is the EMINI S&P on a Super Renko 6-tick chart with the line break algorithm. This had a single long trade into the close, trading 2 contracts, good for 462.50. That's a pretty solid gain for a single trade. Actually, there was a small loser just in front of that, so there was 2 trades. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching today.